you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me.
Now cover all the sides of the bathtub with paper of your choice. I am using a off-white shade of paper.
Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me.
Now to stick the paper on the cardboard, I am using double-sided tape. You can also use Fevicol, glue or a Fevi-stick. So this double-sided tape that I am using is two-dimensional. It's not the foam tape that we usually use. I got this from Amazon.
Stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that.
Now I'm going to use a super glue such as Fevibond. You can use Fevikwik. Actually, I think that Fevikwik is not that handy and it burns a lot to your fingers. So it's better if you use things like Fevibond, or I think the Fevicol brand has launched a new glue called Fevifix. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So I have glued all the sides together and it looks something like this. So now I am taking these packer clips. So I'm just going to unfold the whole thing so that we have some plain wire to work on, and I'm just going to bend one side of it so that it looks like a tap. Probably it's very thin for a tap, but still that's all we've got. Actually, the best thing to use over here is a plastic straw, but I couldn't find any plastic straw near me. So instead, I'm just using the things that are in my house. So now we need a piece of blue and red thing. So you can use beads, straw, paper, etc. So I'm using felt over here. It's a type of cloth. You can find it in any stationery shop.
But you can't see enough. Just find it and take it. Don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it. Don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like.
Now we need to make a wooden frame kind of thing. You can use popsicle sticks. I'm going to use skinny sticks. So the difference between both of these are that a skinny stick is half the size of a popsicle stick in thickness also and width also. Yeah, you can see that. Cool.
Police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and
Okay, so now I'm going to cut out a towel on the frame. So I am using my grandfather, I mean my dada's banyan. Yes, I think he knows or he doesn't know. So maybe you can ask your father and grandfather for their old banyans. I think this was his new banyan. Oopsie.